United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 264. Settlement of disputes. Disputes concerning the interpretation or application of the provisions of this convention with regard to marine scientific research shall be settled in accordance with Part 15, Sections 2 and 3. Article 265. Interim measures. Pending settlement of a dispute in accordance with Part 15, Sections 2 and 3. The state or competent international organization, authorized to conduct a marine scientific research project, shall not allow research activities to commence or continue without the express consent of the coastal state concerned.